So I've been trying to make this video for you guys on how to lose the last 10 pounds for about an hour. And there's construction going on next door and I can't get anything done. So we're just going to roll with it. So if you hear a massive crash or explosion in the background, it's just the contractors across the street. Now then, how to lose the last 10 pounds. Why is this so hard? Or the last 5 pounds, right? Well, we're talking about vanity pounds. And they're called vanity pounds for a reason. Because it has nothing to do with your health and everything to do with your personal aesthetic. So it's kind of like if you want to be a 6 instead of an 8, right? Or, for me, I'm a tiny human. I like my body at about 115 pounds. At 121, I don't like it so much. I start to feel like I'm losing definition. I like my boobs better, and my face better, but I don't like the rest of my body. I like to be a little bit lighter. So that's vanity pounds. I'm perfectly healthy at 121, 122, 123 pounds. I'm also perfectly healthy at 115 pounds. But it's difficult for that reason. So when we're talking about this tiny amount of body fat that you want to shed off because you like a leaner aesthetic, that doesn't necessarily mean you're healthier. So your body gets a little nervous, right? So your body's going, whoa, chill out for a second here, right? I'm a perfectly healthy weight, I'm in great shape, and all of a sudden, my energy intake has been dramatically reduced because I see a lot of you guys try to manhandle those vanity pounds. It's like, I freaking went to the gym and I ran a marathon every day this week and I ate nothing but air souffle and a speck of dust and it didn't come off. Well, yeah, because your body doesn't really have weight to lose, right? And when you are really pumping out energy, you're burning calories, you're going crazy, and you're taking in less energy, your body is going to be like, I can't sustain this. This energy deficit is unsustainable. So your metabolism, a function of your metabolism, is your basal metabolic rate. Essentially, how many calories, how much energy does it take for your body to function over the course of the day through involuntary bodily functions like breathing, hair growing, right? For you, if you sat like a lump, how much energy would it require for you to live? The blood to pump through your veins and so on. Well, a lot of this, in large part, is dictated by your hormone balance. And you guys know this stuff, right? It's everything from your estrogen levels, your testosterone levels, DHEA, your hunger hormones, fat storage hormones like cortisol, all these different hormones work together to do a host of things, one of which is determine how much energy your body is burning in a day, okay? So now what happens, because your body is a dynamic homeostasis, it's responding to a dynamic environment and trying to seek equilibrium. So when you are reducing calories like crazy, you're working out like crazy, your body is like, okay, this is nuts. Like, what am I gonna do? Melt away? So it will shift your biochemistry and slow down your metabolism and release more fat storing hormones that help to store fat, that tell your body, hold on, store fat. So it can actually trigger a plateau. It can mess up your metabolism over time. So it's actually really easy to do the vanity pound thing. Easy is wrong. Simple. It's simple, not necessarily easy. So the key is we really don't want to create a huge calorie deficit. You want to be at about 500 calories a day. So if you're going to go by the generalization, and while it is a generalization, it is very accurate. I've been doing this quite a long time, and I've used the simple math very effectively for years and years and years and years and years and years. And I don't have a little device I make money on giving you this information. It's very simple. It's simple math, free. So if a pound is around 3,500 calories and you're burning 500 calories a day, you'll drop about a pound a week. That'll take you about a month, maybe a month and a half to lose your vanity pounds. That's nothing. It's nothing in the scheme of things. And you don't slow up your metabolism in the process. So if I'm working out and I'm burning 2,200 calories, I really don't want to eat less than 1,700. I don't want to overtrain. Don't do more. then let's say maximum 5 hours a week, maximum. And if you are doing that, you got to eat more to make sure that your deficit, your energy deficit isn't great, right? Because then your body will freak out and hold on to everything because it doesn't have weight to lose. Very different than needing to lose 30, 40, 50, 100 pounds. Your body wants to drop that weight. It does not want to drop vanity pounds. So you kind of got to trick it. Another thing is part of that might be water weight. So we know how to drop water weight. We drink more water. The more water you drink, the less water your body holds on to. And just don't slam sodium. Be moderate with your sodium intake. Don't go over 2,000 milligrams unless you're an extreme athlete who's sweating all the time. Eat potassium-rich foods to help flush out any excess bloat, things like bananas. It's very easy. Google potassium-rich foods. You'll figure it out. That's it, right? Drink water, get your sleep, don't overdo it on the sodium, eat potassium-rich foods. You'll flush out some bloat, which is probably a pound or two of the vanity weight you don't like anyway. Literally, I will drop, if I drink water all week, like until every day, I drink enough water so my pee looks like lemonade. Sorry, don't mean to be gross, but that's how you know you're hydrated. Or at least, let's say 64 ounces of water a day. I will drop 1.5 pounds of excess water weight that I'm holding on to and look that much leaner by the end of the week. So we're doing that. We're drinking our water. Get your sleep so that we can optimize the hormones that burn fat and boost HGH, all those good hormones that manage appetite and help to burn fat and maintain muscle. Sleep. We don't need to get into the science of it, just do it. 7 to 8 hours, cut out complete shit. So try to avoid the refined grains, the processed sugars, and you really want to get lean, cut the booze. Just do it. It's like, it'll like that. Stop drinking for a month, up the water and sleep. That alone should get it done. But you cut out a ton of white flour, white sugar, cut the booze, up the water, hit the sleep. No more than 500 calorie deficit a day, and in a month, maybe 2, if it's 10 pounds, you'll get there. Promise you. No problema. Piece of cake. Okay, team, don't forget, I created this channel just for you guys. So click like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to hear more about. If it's diet, fitness, wellness, mindfulness, I'm here for you. So give me your feedback.